Hey there, I'm Arisha, and welcome to the Daily Legacy Mama channel. If you've ever felt stuck in a cycle of just having to survive, not truly living, I get it, because I was there. I now help you build the life you deserve. So make sure and subscribe for inspiration, tips, and online income strategies. Let me tell you about a little more of who I am. I'm a mom, a wife, and someone who simply wanted more out of life. Not just for me, but for my family. The stress of relying on one income, always having to say, not this month, it broke my heart. I crave time and freedom and peace. Why I started this business? I got tired of just getting by. I got tired of saying no to my kids too often, waiting for the next paycheck, and missing out on opportunities, and watching time slip away. I knew I had to change something, and that's when I discovered the digital world. I wanted freedom, time, and choices. My mission. My mission is to continue building a life of freedom for my own family, but I'm not doing it alone. I'm here to help people just like you, moms, dads, families working with one income, create real financial freedom through systems that are simple and beginner friendly and life changing. What I can do for you. I can guide you through a simple proven step-by-step proven blueprint. Even if you're not techie, you can start earning online without selling to friends or chasing people. I can show you how to build an income online and help you turn your struggle into stability. How it can transform your life. This journey gives you peace of mind. It gives you more time with family. It can open doors. Extra income to breathe again. It can let you say yes again to your great kids, your goals, and the life you deserve. It can give you hope for the future. How to get started. It's easier than you think. All you need to do is comment ready, and I'll send you where you have to go to get the information. Once you get the information, you can get my Freedom Formula PDF via the email. You can decide which income stream is best suits you and follow the same step-by-step blueprint that I am following. Launch your own business. It's that simple. One decision can change everything. Remember, legacy is more than just wealth. It's freedom, it's purpose, and it's the mindset to build it. What's your legacy? Comment ready to start and follow and subscribe for more. Let's build our legacy together.